Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a banking app that keeps logging you out. So first, check that your internet connection is stable. Then open your phone's app store and make sure the banking app is updated to the latest version. Next, restart your phone and then try signing in again. If the app logs you out after a short time, then check whether your phone's date and time are set automatically. And also make sure you have enough storage space available and that your phone's operating system is up to date. If you recently changed your banking password, then make sure you're using the new credentials. Some banks also may sign you out automatically as a security measure. So if the problem continues, check the bank's official service status information or contact the bank through its official support channel. And please do not use third-party apps claiming to fix banking login problems. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.